So how do we use ClickBank as a research tool? The first thing I want you to do is go up here and click on Marketplace. And as you can see, you can select between a variety of niches such as arts and entertainment, betting systems, business and investing, computers, internet, etc. So all categories work great. However, if it is your first business, I recommend setting up a business in the health, wealth, or self-help niche. So start out by checking out the following categories. That's betting systems, business and investing. Then we've got e-business and marketing. Green products is a great niche, same as the health and fitness niche. Then we've got the parenting and families, self-help, software and services, and last but not least, spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the health and fitness section. And that's over here. Perfect. Okay, that's how it looks like. So, first thing I want you to do is sort results by gravity and check out products with a high gravity only that have been released within the last 1.5 years. So the gravity of a product indicates how well it is actually selling. And this way you can also get an impression of how high the demand for a certain niche is. So I want you to go through the list of products over here and just take notes on the niche markets that products are released in. It's actually very, very simple. Go through the list, take notes, and you will see what's selling. What are the products and services there is a demand for? So let's do this together. So the first thing that is very striking, that the top selling product within the health and fitness niche is a product on diabetes. Converts like a monster, just launched. And the crazy thing is actually that you'd probably never expect that the diabetes niche is such a hot niche, right? That's why you have to do a real research and not just assume what's converting and what's great. So, as you can see, I've got a notepad over here, very simple. So the first thing I would write down is diabetes. Let's go down. Boom. The second top seller is another diabetes offer. So if something pops up twice, I just put an X, right? Then what we've got here, the Venus Factor, new highest converting offer on entire ClickBank network, Media Monster. So if you're not sure what it is, just check it out. Venus Factor, probably that's something on. Okay, so that's like a diet product, right? No need to check it out now. Okay, looks great. Just put it on our list here. It's like diet. Here's the next one, update. CVNS boosted yet again. Try this now. Highest converting written page on the entire ClickBank Masterplace. 400 sales per day. Can you see the volume of these products selling here? So this says it's a diet and weight loss offer. So the second product that we have is a diet offer. So we just put another X over here. Fat burning kitchen is blowing up, 90%, 91% conversion. We can see this another diet. Restore my vision, new 2014 proven high EPC. Well, you know, there are some niches like this one over here, pardon me, where I'm not 100% positive, where it would be a great idea to build a niche around to build a business around the Restore My Vision niche, right? So this might work out, but I think a fan page, an entire Facebook business around this niche, built around this niche, is not a great idea, so don't do it. But here we've got this set the weight loss niche on fire. Okay, so we've got diet again. Let's do this way, diet, weight loss. The back eats memories, Alzheimer, reversal offer. So Alzheimer, let's put it, herpes, erase herpes. Would you ever believe that? That's actually one of the top selling offers on ClickBank. Look, it's on the first page and it's a product on herpes. I mean, if I would ask you for, the top 10 niches on Facebook within the health and fitness niche, you'd probably come up with, weight loss, how to gain muscles or whatever. But can you see for example, what I just mentioned, how to gain muscles. It's not even on the first page of ClickBank. So really don't assume anything. Get some hard data. You'd probably never believe that herpes, Alzheimer, and diabetes are top niches on ClickBank. Neuropathy miracle. So this another product on focusing on health issues. Look, herpes again. Wow. We've got so many people have got herpes. That's really striking. Tinnitus miracle, right? Okay, so we can see that health issues are like a really big thing. Cellulite gone. So I would write down cellulite here. Yeast infection no more. So that's something I would also put down on the list. 3-week diet, right? So we've got it over here. Grow Taylor, increase program, take a piece of the cake with conversion. Okay, so we'd have to check out this one over here as well. Let's see what this is all about. Wow, that's really surprising. Okay, this is like really crazy. I would never expect that there's like really a product on how to gain hate. Specific hate gain methods guarantee you'll be at least 2 to 4 inches taller in 8 weeks. Well, it's very surprising. I would have to check that out. But you see, ClickBank is full of surprises. People are buying everything. I mean, how crazy is that? This is probably a niche that hasn't ever existed before, right? This is a completely new niche, like the gain hate niche. Wow. So that's why I love ClickBank. It's so surprising, right? What you can discover over here. Then reverse your diabetes today. Again, we put another X to diabetes and acne no more. So this is another niche. So as you can see, it's very simple. You basically go through each and every offer and you just check out what's the niche behind the product, right? And then you just go through the list and you just get surprised by what people are actually buying. Here you can also put it down, natural breast enlargement, for example. Enlargement. And, here, #1 penis enlargement guide. I mean, it's really crazy, right? I mean, we just have to put that down on our list. That's like just really accurate data. Truth about fat burning. So just put an X over here. That weight loss. So as you can see, and that's probably not very surprising that there's very huge demand for diet and weight loss. But I think that everything else should be pretty surprising if you haven't done what I'm teaching you at the moment before. So it seems that the diabetes niche is hot, Alzheimer, herpes, tinnitus, cellulite, gain, hate. Never heard of that. It's really surprising. Then the acne niche, the natural breast enlargement, even the penis enlargement. It's just crazy. So as you can see, ClickBank is an awesome tool. You can do it with every category, but just started with the categories that I mentioned. And you can see it's very, very easy, straight to the point. So just take action on this, and I'm sure that you will get a lot of niche ideas using ClickBank.